First, open Veo AI through the supported Google AI video generation interface. To create an AI short film, start by developing a simple story. Decide on the main character, setting, conflict, beginning, middle, and ending. Keep the story focused so you can create it through a series of manageable scenes. Next, create a visual style for your short film. Choose the overall mood, lighting, color palette, camera style, and cinematic appearance you want to maintain throughout the project. Now write a detailed prompt for your first scene. Describe the character, environment, action, camera movement, lighting, atmosphere, and visual style. For example, you could describe a lonely traveler walking through a quiet mountain village at sunrise, carrying a small backpack, with soft morning fog, warm natural light, cinematic composition, and realistic film-style visuals. Generate the scene and carefully review it. If the character appears again later, keep the same appearance, clothing, and important visual details in your future prompts. Create the story scene by scene instead of trying to generate the entire short film at once. For each new scene, describe what happens next while maintaining continuity with the previous scene. Use different camera shots to make the film more cinematic. You can combine wide establishing shots, medium shots, close-ups, tracking shots, and slow camera movements depending on the story. After generating all the scenes, arrange them in a video editor. Add dialogue or voiceover, background music, sound effects, captions, and transitions where appropriate. Pay attention to pacing. Give important moments enough time while keeping unnecessary sections short. Before exporting, watch the entire short film from beginning to end.